Hey, Jason.
Yes.
What is a prenup, and should I get one?
So a prenup, a little too late for you because we're married. So a prenup is also more commonly called a premarital agreement. But a prenup is an agreement that the parties who are contemplating and getting it, to get married, draft and complete. So it can deal with a number of issues like how to dispose of the property that the parties accumulate during the marriage, assets, debts, you know, who gets it, who doesn't, things like that. Um, it does not address child issues. So some people have a misconception that they can talk about child support in a prenup. They think they can talk about custody. Those are issues that do not get covered in a prenup in Maine. The thing that they can control, and the reasons why people do get premarital agreements, is because they can control the outcome or what happens to their property in the event that they get divorced. A lot of people say, well, if you're signing a prenup, you're just, contemplating getting divorced. You're already setting it off. Well, it doesn't matter if people have a premarital agreement or not. Going towards that argument is when you get divorced, if you get divorced, there is statutes in place that's going to tell what happens to the property. So in this manner, you kind of take that power away from the state statutes and put it in your own and say, here's what we're going to do with the property. Often people say, well, any property you've accumulated during the marriage, that's yours and that's mine. This bank account's mine, this bank account's yours, whatever it might be. So people who have a lot going into a marriage, it's definitely something they want to consider. People who are contemplating maybe getting a lot of things or accumulating a lot of things after the marriage, something to consider. But again, consulting with an attorney as to what you might be leaving on the table or things to contemplate if you get divorced and if is a premarital agreement right for you is definitely something you want to maybe discuss with an attorney.
I feel like I probably should have gotten a prenup since you moved in with clothes, a stereo system, and a folding chair.
Yeah, exactly. Yep.
I really would have made out in that deal.